Let's take a look at the chart for Dogecoin. Okay, so here's what I was looking at. We were in this triangle pattern bouncing in between this top resistance line and this bottom support line. We had support right here, resistance, resistance. So I was waiting for a breakout to the downside or to the upside. We broke to the downside, and ever since then, I've been kind of targeting this previous support level down here at .155. We've been trending down. It looks like we kind of broke that trend line going up right here, and we've been kind of trading sideways right here. So I've been kind of curious if I don't know if I was wrong since we broke this trend line right here, but it does look like we're kind of heading back to the downside. The other thing I was looking at is we have some green candles right here and we have some green candles right here, or we had a green candle. It looked like we were getting some support, maybe something like that, or maybe something like this. I don't know. But in general, it does look like we're starting to trend down again. So what I'm going to do is readjust this downtrend right here, and we'll move it over something like this. So until we break this downtrend going to the upside now, I'm going to continue to look at this target of around .155. Right now we're below the 4-hour moving average. If we delete everything and go to the daily time frame, we're below the 9 moving average on the daily time frame. We're below it on the weekly time frame. So basically right now what I'm looking at are previous support levels. We have a support down right here, and then the next one, if we can't hold support at .155, the next one I'm looking at is .125. We got a wick down all the way down to that level right there. So I'm kind of wondering if we're going to be able to hold support at .155 or if we're going to drop down to the next one. Like I said, I have a limit order set at .155 and .125 just in case it goes down there. But let's see if we can get a bounce at .155. We had support right here, and let's take a look back a little bit. We had a wick down right here. Yeah, these are the next levels that I'm looking at. Hopefully we could bounce up this .155 and get out of this kind of downtrend. If we delete everything and go to the daily time frame, we can look at this downtrend. Maybe we have resistance, resistance, resistance. Let's do a couple downtrends. We have one right here. We're on the daily time frame, so this one is pretty good. And then we have another one right here. So in general, we have two to deal with. If we could break this one, we'll still have this trend line right behind it. But we could watch this one for maybe a signal that we might be starting to look for a reversal. It kind of does look like we're forming some sort of little diamond pattern, possibly. I'm not sure. Let's see. Maybe something like this. It's possible that if we could break this trend line going up like that, what we could do is target from the top to the bottom of this diamond. Maybe something like this. Maybe get a breakout, something like that. I'm pretty sure that a diamond pattern is a reversal pattern. So maybe we could be looking at maybe .214 if we could break going to the upside, if we can continue this momentum going to the upside. Not that we have momentum right now. We just have a little bit of support right here and support right here. We are technically trending up a little bit in the shorter time frame on this little trend line right here, but it looks like we're kind of breaking it right now too. So like I said, what I'm looking at is around .155. Let's bring back some of those lines that we were looking at. Something like this. I think the main thing that I'm watching is the 4-hour time frame. We have this resistance, this resistance. This is pushing us down, and like I said, main thing I'm watching is .155, this previous support right here. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like Dogecoin, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to trading and looking at charts and stuff like that, check out this playlist right here. It's basically quick tutorials on how to get started with TradingView and a quick rundown on how to basically follow along with my videos. All right, see you guys in the next one.